paano kaya naging posible yon na billions got siphoned or goes around the budget process without the president knowing. I mean, this is involving people in his backyard. Kasama na dyan si E.S. Bersamin, ang kamag-anak ni E.S. Bersamin na si Adrian Bersamin, grandson ba o grandnephew. Kasama na dyan si DBM Secretary Pangandaman. Anong tingin niyo dito? No? I mean, with the involvement of the president at yung closest to him is being linked to the flood control scandal.
Alam mo, Ms. Gretchen, I talked to former Secretary, DBM Secretary Butch Abad. Na-meet ko siya sa isang activity. At binabanggit niya, miski piso o 5, alam yan ng DBM kapag gumalaw yan. What more kapag billion o hundreds of billions of pesos ang pinag-uusapan. So nalalaman yan ng DBM. At syempre, ang DBM, nag-a-act yan upon the directive of the President. Remember, alter ego nga ng Presidente ang DBM Secretary. So lahat dumadaan yan sa Office of the President for approval. Syempre, titignan niya ng Pangulo, nararapat bang gawin yan or what not. Tapos ito, yung statement nga na nasangkot na si former ES Lucas Bersamin at yung mga nakapaligid sa kanya. Yan yung binabanggit natin, pinatutunayan lang yan na yung usapin ng korupsyon nadadamay na hanggang yung pinakamataas na posisyon sa ating bansa, all levels of bureaucracy. Malacanang, Senate, House of Representatives, even nga the constitutional commissions like COA. Diba? Nadamay na o nasangkot na dito sa usapin ng korupsyon. So all levels of bureaucracy, including the constitutional commissions, nasangkot, so compromised. All the more na dapat magkaroon ng investigasyon. Yung binabanggit namin na magkaroon ng investigasyon, tunay na independent investigation. The problem is, the Independent Commission for Infrastructure, whether we like it or not, ang pananaw ng mga tao dyan, compromised na yung kredibilidad because the President created the ICI through executive order. Now, how can we expect the Independent Commission for Infrastructure to investigate yung opisina na nag-create sa kanya? So, kaya connected dito sa panawagan for investigation, we are calling na maisabatas na in the soonest possible time yung ICI bill so that the ICI can have power of its own, staffing of its own, funding of its own. Nag-ooperate at nag-i-exist siya truly independent from the office of the President. As long as it is attached or under the office of the President, even yung mga staffing, yung funding niya, compromise yan, we cannot expect that the ICI will subject the President to investigation. While we are saying the President is immune from suit, wala namang nagsasabi na immune siya from investigation. At kapag lumabas doon sa investigation, nakakakita ng compelling reason at ebidensya na talagang sangkot ang Office of the President dito sa usapin ng flood control scandal, maybe that's the time we can talk about impeachment. Again, impeachment is a very political process. And at this point in time, the environment in the House of Representatives, hindi ako sure at alam ko hindi uusad ang anumang pag-uusap ng impeachment against the President.